so once you get into the higher net worth, you're really going to want to be a good steward of your money and look at what the uber wealthy do and mimic that.
So what would you say, Sarah, is the number one secret to building strong passive income, and maybe define strong for us as well?
Yeah. So the number one secret, the number one secret kind of has three parts. So, but if you take a look at what the wealthy do, so you break it up into three classes of net worth. So those who have a net worth of $500,000 or less, they have like 5 to 10% of their net worth in alternative assets. Chicken or the egg, who knows? Those who have a net worth of $500,000 to $10 million, they have around 25% of their net worth invested in alternative assets. Now, those who have a net worth of 10 million or more, they have 50 to 60% on average of their net worth invested in alternative assets. And so part of it is that these are open to accredited investors. Smaller net worths don't have access. But another thing is like opening your mind to see what's possible and really being a steward of your own money. And so once you get into the higher net worth, you're really going to want to be a good steward of your money and look at what the uber wealthy do and mimic that. And so again, they do three things. So they earn more money, they keep more money with their tax strategy, and they grow that money with their investments. And so I love what you do, Brett, and I've referred so many of our investors to you, and it kills me when it's too late sometimes, and someone gives me a call and they're like, hey, so I sold my dental practice in January. So I've got this money I want to invest with you. And I'm like, oh, wait, you sold it in January. Did you do a DST? Did you talk to Brett? No. Oh. So I'd say one of the biggest things is to, before you take action, learn everything that you can. So many people, they take action, they sell their business, and they haven't done. It's too late after the fact. And so that kills me. Or they sold it last year and they didn't deploy their capital in the year that they got their capital gains. And now the next year they're looking to deploy their capital. And so they have to pay tax on all that. So really having a good team of advisors who are in the space, who really know your situation and are an expert on your situation is going to be super key. Because all those people with 10 million plus net worth, they're not doing it on their own. They're not learning every nuance. They're learning what they need to know in order to know, oh gosh, I'm going to need these people on my team, and go find the best people you can find.